Hello students, welcome to the channel, and in this video I have taken previous year questions of the topic other than Bayes theorem. As this year means we can say what topic I have taken: conditional probability, independent events, total probability, and last two I will be taking in the next videos. Now the first question, last two means Bayes theorem, and we can say the last topic, that is of mean and variance, right? Probability distribution. First question that is asked in 2020 examination of 2 marks. The probability of finding a green signal on a baby crossing is 30%. What is the probability of finding the green signal X on 2 consecutive day out of 3? देखो सिंपल सी बात है, एक ग्रीन सिग्नल X क्रॉसिंग पे मुझे मिल रहा है, इसकी probability 30%। अब बात ये है कि आई एम गोइंग, सपोज 3 डेज आई एम गोइंग, अब उन 3 दिन में से कॉन्जिक्यूटिव 2 दिन मुझे ग्रीन सिग्नल मिलना चाहिए, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी। अब 3 दिन में से कॉन्जिक्यूटिव 2 दिन कैसे मिल सकता है? आप बोल दोगे सर फर्स्ट 2 डेज में मिल जाए, थर्ड में ना मिले, या फिर फर्स्ट में ना मिले, लास्ट 2 में मिल जाए। कॉन्जिक्यूटिव चाहिए या तो स्टार्टिंग के दो या लास्ट के दो, ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते ना कि फर्स्ट और लास्ट में मिले सेकंड में ना मिले, तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नहीं होगा ना। सो विल राइट, जस्ट पे अटेंशन। द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ ग्रीन सिग्नल is 30 by 100, that is 3 by 7. Probability of not getting a green signal is 1 minus 3 by 7, 3 by 10. 1 minus 3 by 10, that is 7 by 10. Now required probability is फर्स्ट में सिग्नल है, सेकंड में भी सिग्नल है, एंड द थर्ड वी आर नॉट गेटिंग अ सिग्नल। और मींस प्लस, whenever we have a or word we use plus sign, either this or this will use plus sign। px bar फर्स्ट में नहीं मिला, सेकंड में मिल गया, थर्ड में मिल गया, so what I can write 3 by 10 into 7, sorry 3 by 10 into 3 by 10 into 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10 into 3 by 10 into 3 by 10, that is equal to 7 3 the 21, 21 3 the right 63, right? So 63 126 upon 1000 or 63 upon 500 is the required answer. Now second question that is very important as well as asked 2 times in the previous exams. What is it? A die is marked 1 2 3 in red color and 4 5 6 in green color, is tossed. A be the event number is even, B be the event number marked red. Find whether A and B are independent or not. Before solving this question, we will recall the definition of independent event. PA into PB should be equal to PA intersection B, right? If this condition will be satisfied, we'll say events will be independent. What is A here? The first event A, we can say that number is even. Even numbers are 2 4 6. The probability of A is 3 by 6. B is what? 4 5 6, sorry, B is number marked red. Now these 3 numbers are in red, 1 2 3 is in red, so probability is of B is also 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right? Now what is A intersection B? Common intersection is 2, so we can write P A intersection B is 1 by 6, right? Now I will check what PA into PB. PA into PB is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Are we getting equal to PA intersection B? We are saying no, so we can say not equal to PA intersection B. So I can say A and B are not independent events. The third question, a black die and a red die are rolled together. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum 8 when it is given that red die result a number less than 4. What we have a formula for conditional probability? P E by F is equal to PE intersection F upon PF. So first we are going to write what is E and what is F. Let E be the event obtaining the sum 8 when red and black die are toggled together, obtaining a sum 8 में events क्या होंगे आपके? We can say 2 6 6 2 3 5 5 3 10 4 4. Right? Now the probability is what? 1 2 3 4 5. Probability of E is 5 by 36. What is F? F we can say red die result a number less than 4. Suppose I tell the second die is red and red die result a number less than 4. Less than 4 में 1 2 3 होगा. Means 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 1 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 and 6 3. Now if I suppose the second die is red, now on the second die you have less than 4 means 1 2 3 on the second die you have these 18 options. So probability of F you can say is 18 by 36. Now you tell me what is E intersection F. E intersection F. If I talk about E intersection F, common is 6 2. 6 2 is there? Yes. 6 2 is common. We can say 5 3. Yes. 5 3 is also common. And no, only two are common. 6 2 and 5 3. So we can say probability of E intersection F is 2 by 36. So if we use this formula, so P E by F is equal to P intersection F 2 by 36 upon PF 18 by 36. The answer is 1 by 9. Right. Next question is from 2015 examination. We have a bag that contains 4 black and 6 red balls. Bag B contains 7 black and 3 red balls. A die is thrown. If 1 or 2 appears on it, then bag 1 is chosen. Otherwise, bag 2. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. Find the probability that one of them being red and other being black. Simple सी बात है. I am throwing a die. 1 or 2 आएगा, then I will select bag 1, otherwise bag 2. Now 2 ball, अब कौन सा bag select करा है? Obviously either I have selected bag 1 or I have selected bag 2. Now what I can say that we have events, 2 events, E1 and E2. E1 is what? 1 or 2 appears. And E2 is what? 3, 4, 5, 6 appears. 1 or 2 appears means bag A is chosen. Here bag B is chosen. So what is the probability of bag A is chosen? Is 2 by 6. Bag B is chosen 4 by 6. Now what is A? A is what? The probability of 2 balls. Balls drawn. One is red and another black. Or we need to find the probability of A. This question is of total probability. You are on total probability. So we can say PA. Probability of this A. If I have selected bag 1, then A from bag 1. Or if I have selected bag 2, then A on bag 2. What is the probability of selected bag 1? 2 by 6. Now bag 1 में से I need to select 1 red ball and one black ball. Means black ball 1 4c1, red ball 1 6 में से एक red ball मतलब 6c1. टोटल बॉल्स कितने हुई 4 plus 6 10 upon 10c2. Quality of second bag is 4 by 6. Again second bag में से 7 black and 3 red. 7 black में से एक black लेना है 7c1. 3 red में से एक red 3c1 upon 10c2. Right? So we need to calculate this. So we can say 4 3s are, sorry 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Right? So in the next step I can write this 1 by 3 into 4. 4c1 is 4, 6c1 is 6. 10c2 is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 plus 2 by 3. 7c1 is 7. This is 3. This is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. This is 2 5s are, 2 5s are. Then 3 se 3 cancel. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 by 45. And 7 2s are 14. 14 by 45. 8 plus 14 is 22 by 45. This is the answer. Last question of this video is asked in 2015 of 6 marks. A and B are independent events such that P A bar intersection B is 2 by 15 and P A intersection B bar is 1 by 6. Find P A and P B. Right? When A and B are independent events, we know P A intersection B is P A into P B. Remember, A and B are intersections, so these two will be independent. These two will be independent events when A and B are independent events. So we can write P A bar intersection B is equal to 2 by 15. This is P A bar into P B is 2 by 15. I am letting P A as X and P B as Y. So what I can write, P A bar can be written as 1 minus X and P B as Y is 2 by 15, equation number 1. Similarly, this P A intersection B bar is 1 by 6. P A into P B bar is 1 by 6. P A is X, P B bar, when P B is Y, P B bar is 1 minus Y. 1 by 6. This is equation number 2. So you can see we have two equations, two unknowns. We can easily find. How? Substitution method. What I am doing, I am putting the value of X as 1 upon 6, 1 minus Y. This is my equation number 2. I am putting the value of X in equation number 1. So we have 1 minus 1 by 6, 1 minus Y into Y is equal to 2 by 15. LCM 6 minus 6Y minus 1 upon 6, 1 minus Y into Y is 2 by 15. This is 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Right? Minus 1 is 5 minus 6Y upon 2 minus 2Y whole multiplied by Y equal to 2 by 5. Right? Now this 5y will be taken to the left hand side. This is first I am multiplying this 5y minus 6y square. This whole will be multiplied by 5 and this 2 multiplied by this 2 minus 2y. So we can say 5y square minus 5y 25y minus 30y square equal to 4 minus 4y. Right? So if I take all the value to the right hand side, 30y square is 25 plus 4, 29y plus 4 equal to 0. Right? Now I will split the middle term. 30 4s are 120. 120 is there and 29 को कैसे break कर सकते हैं 120 के लिए? Is 30y square minus 24y minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. From first to 6y is common. 5y minus 4 minus 1, 5y minus 4. So you can say 5y minus 4, 6y minus 1 equal to 0. So from here y equal to 4 by 5 and y equal to 1 by 6. We are getting two values of y. So we can say that by equation number second, x equal to, first I am putting y equal to 4 by 5 here. 1 upon 6, 1 minus 4 by 5. 1 by 6, 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. This is 5 by 6. And when y equal to, we can say 1 by 6, x equal to 1 upon 6, 1 minus 1 by 6, right? 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. 6 and 6 cancel, you are getting 1 by 5. So when x equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 5 is when y equal to 1 by 6, and x equal to 5 by 6 when y equal to 4 by 5. What is y? Y is PV. What is x? X is PA. So these are the values of PA and PV, and this is the answer. I hope this video is clear. I have taken some very good questions that will definitely gonna help you. Please solve all the questions. Thank you so much.